Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, my driving lesson is cancelled today. You can see it's already 10 o'clock, but I'm still here. Cancelled because so initially the driving instructor said the driving lesson will be 9:30. And then this morning I received a message from him. He said that if we can move it to 11:30, but yesterday, Inigo was he called me and asking me that we are going somewhere. So tomorrow, our driving lesson will be by 10 o'clock again. Yesterday, I bought this. I bought it from Kmart. This is a light. Yeah, decoration light. Okay, I won't be able to finish these things. Yeah, because Inigo is coming. This mungo is coming from Ate Shirley. She gave it to Inigo and Inigo brought it here. We are eating it now. Switch off. I forgot to bring a mask. And we are going to a theme park. Yeah, I hope they have extra mass in there. Yeah, we are here in Oakville Wildlife Park. We come here to ask if they have mass. They are also selling this mask, and I got one. And this how it is inside here.
Hindi pa ako nakakita na ito.
Look at this floriket. They are yellow.
Hindi pa ako nakakita na ito. Rapid ang kulay blue na siya.
Yeah, I don't see kind of floriket yellow like this in the wild. Usually, what's in the wild are the green one.
Ano?
Anong ibon yan?
Hindi ko alam eh. Parang parrot eh.
Hello?
Oh?
Hello, how are you? Nagsasalita.
Nasira na yung ano niya oh. Makulit siya oh. Nasira na yung beak niya oh. Ayun.
You see, this is electric fence, so that bird can't go out.
Bobby.
Hey! He's scary. He's scary, look. It's like he's going to bite my hand. Yeah, there are so many different kinds of animals. Some of them I don't know the name, but the pig, very common. And I usually see also the pig with the chicken together.
Ikot tayo eh.
And now we're going to ride with this truck.
At the back of this aviary is the reptile ravine, where we do have Australia's largest and second largest species of snake, the tawny frogmouth and our bushstone curlews. On our left hand side is the emu. Emus are actually the fastest birds you can find here in Australia. They can actually run a speed of 50 kilometres per hour. Now, although they're the fastest here in Australia, they're obviously not the fastest in the world, when the ostrich, who is living right next door, can outrun them at a speed of 70 kilometres per hour.
In this part of the zoo, you can Yeah, the live actual interaction with the animals. Yeah, and there are different kinds of animals around here. Mostly in this area are the kangaroos, but on that side there are big cow, bulls, yeah, duck, chicken, alpacas. These are the ducks, and there are some big carabao on that side. Carabao is the water buffalo. Yeah, that's a carabao and camel. Looks like they are not flying, they are walking in the water. These are the dingo, and there's the baby one. Yeah, cute.
In Quiapo. No? Ang problema kasi yung spoon bilang anuhin mo yung
Nothing.
ganda ng kulay. Kakantahan kita, Ibon. Ibong! Ayaw yung kanta ko. Ayaw niyo. Ibong mang may layang lumipad, kulungin mo may umiiyak. Natapang daw yun eh. Subscribers, especially hi po kay Tita Lulu from the States. Kamusta po? Masipag po kayong mag comment, and also hi to Miss Munzerin.
And aside from this wildlife park, they also have this water park, but because it is winter, it's not working this time. Yeah, that is not part of this park.
Ayun, three kangaroo. Yan o. Kaya nga nagriparan sila eh. Shout out to Bal. Hello Bal, how are you? I miss you. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Take care always. Hope to see you soon here.
And that's it. And do you know that this one is very near? Just across that is the highway and the Newcastle Airport. You just look for the name Oakville Wildlife Park and you'll be here. So we are now here in the shopping center. Inigo is ordering pizza, and I'm going to take this chance to buy something heavy from the grocery so that I don't need to carry it on my bike. We're going to take this rice. Yeah, this is a jasmine rice, and this is at $10. 50% discount.
Ito, gusto mo ito?